What's that, buddy?
This one is what?
What's that?
That's deer.
What's a deer?
Huh? What? Mommy, look, Mom.
Wow.
Look, that is. Look at Isler. Look.
Okay. Ready?
No.
Okay, we're gonna put these on now. You
No.
excited to put the little snowflakes on?
Oh, I want to get out.
Hey, I'm gonna give you one. Goodness gracious. 3 balls of fire, child. Calm yourself down. Stop touching. Do not touch. Mommy will give you what you need. Oh, good. There's more rip.
What's that, buddy? That?
Down. Down. Down.
What is it, buddy?
Down. Down.
Is that a star?
Okay, hang on. Mommy's gonna put more ribbon on the tree.
It's a star with lights, huh?
Well, it's right.
Yeah.
Well, that's not all we have.
Whoa.
I thought I was out, but I'm not. So I can put this closer together. Come on. I'm just gonna unplug it till I'm done.
Want to wear it? Let's try it. Whoa. Look.
Oh no, Zachary's a deer now.
I do.
Are you
Now
a
it's
ring-
me. I'm a deer.
Michael's gonna be a reindeer.
I'm not being a reindeer.
Oh, you're not? What are you being then?
Here's yours. We're both wearing theirs. I'll get on.
Careful, be soft. Yay, crazy babies.
Mom, look at me.
Whoa, look at your little reindeer.
Yay.
Zachary's head's too small.
Look, guys, what is this? Maybe and this one.
Yeah, you gotta be careful, bud. Don't break anything.